Hi friends, I want to show you how to create a hostess order today for a party. You're going to go into your virtual office and click the Parties tab, and then you're going to see all of your open parties here on the dashboard. You're going to go and find the party that you are looking to create the hostess order for, and it's going to bring you into the Party Informations tabs. Here in the Informations tabs, you're going to see Orders, and on the Guest tab on the left-hand side, you're going to see the guest order. And on the Hostess tab, you are going to see the hostess order. Now, before I walk you through how to create one on your side, I want to show you how the hostess can actually place her order from her end. If you go to the About tab and click on Hostess, you're going to see the hostess's information, and you're going to scroll the whole way to the bottom to where you see Hostess Portal. Here it's going to show you her email address, and it's going to give you the option to send her an email with her Hostess Portal information. She's going to receive an email that says, here's your login information, your login ID, your login password. If you click this, you can log into your party. Once she logs in, she's going to see pretty much the same thing as what you do across the top. She's going to see her invitations option where she can send invitations from her back office or from your back office if she wants. She can see her guest list, and she's also then going to see her orders. So she's going to see her guests and who all has ordered, what her PV total is, how much unsubmitted PV there is, and then she's also going to see the option to do her hostess order off to the left-hand side. Now, this is going to be the same for both you and her. As I walk you through this, both of you would click the Create Hostess Order button to get started. So this is really nice that hostesses can do this from their end now, because it saves you a step of having to get with her to close the party and get her hostess options and show her screenshots of embroidery options and all of that fun stuff. So you will use this for hostesses that maybe you fill out their order on a paper order form at the end of their party, but for Facebook parties, this is going to be really, really useful. So you're just going to go up here to create her hostess order. You're going to search for the item that she wants to use her rewards on. So I'm just going to say a large utility tote, and we're going to pretend we're going to use our hostess credits on it. So you will come here to the large utility tote options and choose the print that she wants. If you want to personalize it, you'll do that, and then you're going to click Add to Cart. Now you're going to choose which option you want to use, which reward option you want to use this for. So we're just going to say she wants to get it with credit, and we're going to click OK. After you do that, it's going to take you, give you the option to go back to the cart, and you can see here that I have now used $35 of her hostess credits, which gives me $65 left. It also shows that you have 2 exclusives to use, 2 half-price items to use. And so if you don't know the item numbers, you can simply just click on the tab, and it's going to bring you to the section to show you what she can choose from. Okay? So now, after you have added all of the items into her cart, you will just go through the checkout process like you do for a customer order. You will go in here, you will confirm her address, and then you will add her payment box. Now, after you have her hostess order completed, you are going to go to this Review and Submit tab. It allows me here. There we go. Okay, so in here you're going to see all of the customers' orders, and these have all been submitted because they were all direct ship. The hostess order shows that it's not complete because I have not entered the rest of the items into the order yet. So after I have added that, it will show that it is ready to submit. After it shows ready to submit, you're going to want to make sure that you've claimed all of your hostess rewards if you want to use them or if she wants to use them. You will also double check the credit cards here, make sure that the amounts are correct on the cards that are being charged. And then at the bottom, you will click Submit Party. It will be hot pink, and you'll be able to click Submit Party. But you want to make sure that you have all of the orders completed before you go to submit that party, or you will lose some of the hostess rewards if you don't use them.